And welcome back to Weekend on Wheels, and I'm Girish. So I'm all excited for the one ride. That's this poster. So I'm gonna ride tomorrow to one ride, which is 28th, and on the Sunday with Royal Enfield. And this time around, I'm gonna ride the GT 650 Twin. He's getting my bike ready. All excited. I'll see you in a while, and I'm gonna show a lot of footage for David. Good morning, and the ride starts to one ride. It's 6:45 in the morning, and yeah, we're all set. It's gonna be good fun. So I'm starting from Hennur. I'm not joining the RE group as of now, but I will join them midway. And finally I've reached the venue, Valley Vibes, and it is one ride. This is the bike I've been riding all this while, and look at that bikes there. There is a huge crowd, at least 500-600 bikes of them. And I'm gonna show you what's gonna happen next now. So it's about 9:30, and yeah, we've reached, and I have Rakshit there, who's gonna fly drone for me this time, and then I have my colleague who's gonna help me with the photography. We're just gonna have a lot of fun today, and yes, guys, let's have fun. We're all waiting for the registration, and let's go near the slow race place and try to shoot some content.
Stop! It's a slow race, be slow!
I have someone here, you guys might know him, and I'll tell you who is this. Hi. Vinil from Ooty Chocolate.
You can just come in the stage where we just set for slow race.
And I have someone else also to show.
So I'm going to call out few names.
Ajit,
Karthik, Anand and Kuldeep.
he's got a change of looks.
Ritesh. So all these are starting late and bit disqualified.
And that's my man from Bangalore, Gopro man. Gopro man. I'm going to put a link below, and you need to go check out. Our man is specialist in off-road touring.
And guys, please follow Royal Enfield Karnataka to get updates about
what he
this
normally
event.
does is long tours and also unknown places. He likes to explore unknown places. I'm going to put a link below. Go check out. That's going to be crazy, and you will love the kind of content he does. He's just been to Northeast and come back. You need to check out the content.
Stay like that.
It's amazing. So go follow our man. Namma Neerda, Namma Urda Javanagu. Check him out, guys. Anyhow, guys, I hope you guys had a lot of fun the way I did, and I'm like literally too tired. It is a very humid day, but then the event was organized very, very well. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends, and I will see you guys soon. And we come to an end of one ride, Bangalore. People came in huge numbers here, and everybody had a lot of fun. So did I. And bye guys, I'm gonna go now.